Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss quick and easy Canva tutorials like this one. So today I'm going to show you how to check the size of your Canva design. Whether you are working on a YouTube thumbnail, social post or printable, this is super handy. Let's get started. First of all, you just need to open your design. Let's see, I hope this design will be good, so I am going to open the design. First, open this one. You just need to log into your Canva account and open the design you want to check. It could be anything, a presentation, an Instagram post, or a custom size project. Once it open, you will find all size info you need in just a couple of clicks. So here you just need to be the easiest way to check the size is right in the editor. Look at the top bar. Here you can find out the option called free size. Next to your design name, you will usually see the dimension in pixel inches over that place. So let's go. There is no options to show here. So if you don't see it, here's what to do. Just click on file in the top menu, then click view setting or resize. Here just need to be click over here, then here you will find out a couple of options. Then here you can just click to the resize options and then click to the resize, and here if you click the custom size, now you will eventually find out the size of this template. A small pop-up will appear showing the width and height of your design. It usually show it in pixel by default, but you can switch to inches or millimeters if you want to. Then let's resize if needed. Another quick tip is, if you resize your design in the wrong size, you can resize it here. Click resize in the top menu. Here you can change the width and height manually. Pick from Canva's suggested preset like Instagram story or many more. Like let's click to the Canva, then try it for 30 days. Okay, if you are using the premium one, then you can easily do it. But if you are using free plan, then you are not allowed to do it. Then double check before downloading. Like before you download your design, always double check the size so you don't end up with blurry or stretchy image. Click download and you will size info again. Just click over here, see, and just click to the download, and here actually you will see the pixel size. We allow to see here the minimal size. Let's go and see it into the pixel and let's find out is this okay or not. Yes, okay, this is in the size of pixels and this is the size in pixel also. So that's it for today, your quick guide on how to check the size of your Canva design in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and happy designing.